For more than 110 years, the 13th Sabbath offering has empowered the Seventh-day Adventist Church to launch mission boats, fly mission planes, heal the sick, educate young people, reach the unreached, and change lives. The sacrificial giving of faithful Adventists for more than a century has brought light and hope to every corner of the globe. Many of these offerings have gone toward children's projects. In 2011, a portion of the 13th Sabbath offering was used to translate children's materials like books into the local languages of Armenia, Azerbaijan, and Georgia. More than 10 years later, we can see the effects that these materials had on that generation of children. Garam is a video editor in the Adventist Church in the city of Tbilisi, Georgia. The translated materials from the 2011 13th Sabbath offering were instrumental in shaping his spiritual life.
I was about 8 years old when my parents brought me to church. At that time, there was already a group of children who would actively study the Bible. These lessons, which were conducted in my native language, significantly contributed to my getting to know God. Years passed, and today, I try to be actively involved in service. Currently, with the support of Adventist World Radio, I participate in the preparation of video materials. I hope God will help us do even more in our country.
In another Georgian city, Layla remembers not being interested in church as a kid. It wasn't until there were materials designed for her that she started to enjoy going to church. Layla grew closer to God and began getting more involved in church. Today, she's the assistant Sabbath school teacher for the children. She loves passing on her passion for Jesus to this young generation.
Children's classes are important because children need to grow in understanding God and grow in knowledge of God so they can stay in church when they grow up.
Thanks to your giving to the 13th Sabbath offering in 2011, children such as Garam and Layla have grown up loving Jesus and continue to be active contributors to ministry as young adults. The impact of this offering will only truly be known when we all get to heaven. Thank you for your support of the 13th Sabbath offering that makes a difference in so many lives.